One of the ways that I get a really, really nice portrait is to keep it very, very simple. And it's something I like to call 3 feet of peace. And basically, I'm just looking for 3 feet of beautiful light and clean background. And after I have that, all I'm trying to do is just get an honest expression from my subject, and that's how we make more portraits. So a lot of times as photographers, we're looking for that perfect location to shoot. And often it's somewhere that we've scouted, and we think that it's not possible to get a really beautiful, simple picture. And that's why it's important to boil it down to just finding this little tiny square of peace somewhere out in the city or wherever you are that will act as a portable studio to let you get a really nice portrait. Sometimes this is like a huge wall, like 30 feet wide, and sometimes it's just 2 feet wide next to a door, a shop where people are going in and out. But I guarantee that you will always be able to find those 3 feet to work in somewhere, wherever you are. So we have almost a little bit of that going on. So it's basically just about making it really simple. All right. So take a few steps out. Right there, it's good. Oh, this is really cool. And I like to get so close that I can like touch your hat. Great. Beautiful. So I want to make sure that I've got the right amount of light on your face on both sides. I don't want you to like drop off to darkness on this side. So if you look this way a little bit to me, take a step that way. That's perfect. For you, this is perfect. When Taylor had the hat on, it was a little bit different lighting situation, but now it's like perfect for you. Cool. Basically. Okay. So I've got my clean background, beautiful light, and now I just have to work with your expression. Great. And I don't have any of the chicken behind you, although I could add that if you want. Perfect, man. Awesome. Great. Okay, 320 and 28. Okay, 320 and 28. 320 and 28. Okay, so you were looking over your shoulder, so take a step forward. So this wall is perfect, like there's nothing here but really nice light. And I'm gonna have you turn this way just a little bit. Okay. Take a step towards the wall. There, perfect. Okay. I'm trying to get just a totally clean background. We got a little bit. Oh, that's great. Okay. Perfect. I don't even have to do anything. Cool. Perfect.
Smiling on the sun. Yeah.
Yes. There's like a little stripe of yellow and then gray and then yellow in your jacket, and it's like awesome. That's great. Okay, so stand right over here. Oh, like look at yeah. Woo. Okay. Like the color difference, like through here, is awesome. Like that cool violet in the red background, fantastic. So all I need is for you to turn this way just a little bit. Cool. And I'm trying to balance the light coming from behind me across your whole face. Anyway, I'm over explaining.
I know. I appreciate it. I want to hear what you're saying. What you're doing.
Oh yeah, this is so good. We're gonna do like the Pardeep series. Okay, relax. Deep breath. Calm. Perfect. Perfect.
Thank you, bro.
Yes. So take your jacket off. Sorry, it's kind of cold. Okay. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, okay. This is perfect. You got like the really good light.
Hey man, how come not me?
You got pretty good light. Okay, 640. It's a little bit more light here than the other spot. All right. Okay, so I want you to turn your head to me just a little bit more, back a little bit. Chin down just a tiny bit. Perfect, perfect. Okay. Think of the last like crazy thing that Pardeep did. That. Okay, good. Perfect. Good.
I remembered Sin.
Oh yeah, exactly. I shot his wedding a few months ago. And it's like, think of something silly to say, and his buddies right there. He yells from far away, "Dick!"
Just dick.
Yeah. It works.
I like it. It works. Yes. In fact, just relax. Okay. Take a deep breath. Good. Perfect. That was great. That was great. Yes.
Thank
I love
you.
that you tilted your head just a little bit at the end. That was great.
It was all about the deep breath. That's
Yes.
such a great tip.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I really appreciate you taking a photo of me.
Oh, my pleasure. Yeah.
Oh,
This is Caitlin. There you go.
thank you.